Hi, it's David Gomm in the stained glass studio. Today I want to talk about lighting, artificial lighting your stained glass. Now, here's a picture of our friend David Young. Now, he's standing in front of a peacock window that he did, and this is natural light that's coming through the office that he's standing in. And there's several pictures here. And now Jeannie took quite a number of pictures from his home showing you different pieces of glass, examples of glass that he's done. But look at this one here. This one's huge, and it goes across. It's several different pictures to show you the details of each one. Really fantastic deal. And now here is one in front of the fireplace, and here's one where you're looking behind it so you can actually see the lighting. All right, well, now we want to talk to you about how you can go about doing the same thing for yourself. Now, this is a box with some LED panels in it. They are about I want to say 8.5 by 20, something like that. Now, each one of these little dinky things is an LED light, and it'll shine. There's 4 of them in here. They sell for around $64.95 a piece. This is the power supply that you need for this type. And it sells for about $19.95. So what I'm going to do on another video is show how we hook this up and put it all together so that you could do one of your own. But that's what I wanted to show you. Now, I wanted to also mention if you go to superbrightleds.com, that's B-R-I-T-E, superbrightleds.com, you can find these. And you can probably find the power supplies that match up with them. And so in order to do your own, you'll want to go and get those, and hopefully you'll be able to talk to somebody or email somebody and find out exactly what you need to do. Now, when David went to do his big, huge stained glass unit, he found that you didn't need to have one covering every single foot of the wall. He placed them about every other foot, and he had plenty of light. You saw that. Lots and lots of light. There are other things that you may need to do. Now, we have a unit like this. Actually, we have 2 of them. I'm not sure where the other one is. And it's got a metal lip on the bottom and on the side. And we'll take 18-inch wide by 30-inch wide windows, and we'll slide them into these 2 lips and use it to light up our stained glass. This box was made for us by a friend, and I don't have his contact information, and I'm sorry. But anyhow, it's the same type of setup as we're going to be building in our next video. All right, talk to you later.